Nearly every Texas public school student is required to take the STAR exam each year. For 4 hours, students participate in a high-stakes test which could stop them from advancing to the next grade level. Claiming to be more rigorous than its predecessors, this test is supposed to place accountability on teachers and assess what students are learning. But with parents and students claiming that the STAR causes unnecessary stress, should high-stakes testing really be such a large component of the Texas school experience? We decided to ask some of our peers what they can recall about their experience with standardized testing.
Okay, so what Texas standardized tests did you take when you were in school?
I took the TAKS test and ACT.
I took TAKS.
Okay.
The TAKS, I remember.
The TAKS test, the PSAT, and the SAT.
The TOS test my 3rd grade year, and the TAKS test after that.
TAKS.
What do you remember about the test?
I remember that they were relatively easier than a lot of tests that we took in class, and they weren't too challenging.
It was kind of like annoying, like a hassle you just had to complete.
Everybody kind of dreaded TAKS days because they were really slow and long, and it seemed like a waste of time for everybody.
The TAKS test wasn't very hard.
Like, I remember, like, for the math TAKS, it was never, like, if I was in 9th grade, it was never 9th grade level math. It was, like, 7th or 8th grade. So it was, like, a year behind, I guess. So, like,
yeah, like,
you know,
I remember, when I was in school, like, whenever someone finished the test, everyone would go to sleep because that's all you could do.
Yeah, that's all you would do. You would read or sleep.
Those were like some of the best days of my life because I would finish in like literally an hour and a half or 2, and then I would just have like the whole day to like read, and they let us always have snacks. So it was a fairly simple test, after which I got a lot of free time to do whatever I wanted as long as I was quiet. So yeah, testing weeks were always pretty good for me.
Do you know why we take this standardized test?
I think we take them just to kind of check the progress on like teachers and students to see if everyone's kind of at the same level.
I honestly don't know. I feel like it just stresses everyone out and makes it like this thing that like just has to be done, even though it's not really necessary. Like, I've never thought that TAKS or ACT helped me for any of my college classes that I've taken.
Who writes the test? Who do you think makes up the test?
There's probably a board of officials, because since TAKS is such a big system, there's probably a board of officials that regulate, what type of questions are going on there, and they probably get, a consensus then.
I don't know.
A group of teachers of some sort, I believe, but I could be wrong. I'm really not sure.
Is it like the Texas Board of Education?
We'll see.
In trying to recall our past experiences, what do we really know about the test that is supposed to know so much about us?